Well, the national anthems are through, and Benin with a couple of changes for new coach Gernot Rohr. He does have the experience of Senda. Number of changes for Carlos Alos Ferrer and Bolenga Fetina coming in, but the biggest one is in goal. Chance for the visitors, but that's a neat little backheel away, but it doesn't regain possession. Long range effort. It's a bit of luck, and it should have been 1-0 because well, it was a speculative effort, but it bounced off between Tonji. Well, that's a very loose ball from Saturdin Alagbe. Struggling to get first team football at French club Dijon. Lovely ball releasing, and it should be, and it is a goal that has sense to be coming. What a moment for Carlos Alos Ferrer, and the goal scorer Gilbert Mugisha. Disaster for seeing their captain Mehdi Kageri miss a gilt-edged chance. 26-year-old Gilbert Mugisha had 2 bites of the cherry, and it tasted oh so sweet on second coming. Initial save from Gilbert Mugisha. A cracking goal. It's a wonderful move. Missing his man up and driving towards goal. He goes down. Oh, just a nudge into the back. Did brilliantly to break between two. Leaves this one. Jodel Dosu clips it into a really good area, and the man who won the free kick got the first chance for Benin on top. It was certainly straight at the goalkeeper and at a good height, but he still had to get up quickly and push it over his bar. Alinvi again, Dijon teammate of Alagbe. What an effort. Benin won 13 appearances for Dijon this season. 8 of the last 9. Growing influence in France with the Ligue 2 side. And certainly looking to just find some space. Breaking through. The shot gobbled up simply. In his 7 competitive matches, but they're on course for a huge win here. On the spin, certainly after leaving Clermont, club legend. Now a chance for Mugisha, the goal scorer. It's a really good pick out, and it's off the crossbar from Kevin Muiri. Stunning F-side, but he may worry that they're not putting their chances away. Pick out here, too much time, but that is wonderful curling effort. Really whipped 50th cap on match day 2. It's a really good delivery. Keeper not convincing. The overhead kick. Well, 1 to strike it goal. Balance from Sabo. It's a ball in behind again. Rwanda in for 2. Alagbe with a brilliant save. He was brave. Took the touch with the head and then tried to reach it with his outstretched leg. Somehow coming away with the ball. Alautan tossing back onto his favourite right. Shimmies. It's deflected, I think, but either way from Benin. Dosu somehow smuggling the ball out. And tossing once. And on the second time, but the referee not interested. It's not a head knock. Touch inside, he's gone down. think looking for it. They play on. The keeper makes the save. Often is the place. Well, if he's looking for a decision for the referee, Jodel Dosu, it's going to be a yellow card for diving. Shot eventually coming in from just shielded and left to Alimvi. Now Dosu pushed away. A Benin tap in. Ball poked into Dosu. Got hit back before the half-time break. Nice touch from Umarani. It's falling kindly for Dosu. Just didn't need to be that tight to Raphael York, the Sweden-born. As we look back at the chance for Dosu. Robbed. And he's come back on his right every time. Swings at a brilliant ball, but not anticipated well enough by Adiote. Karen Rohr keeping his emotions to himself. But just before the half-time whistle. Great pick-out target, wherever that might have been. Touch from Alinvi. Touches it through, surely the equaliser. But it's a fine, fine save. Nedwali keeping Rwanda ahead. Ayagun Tosin tried to just slide. A vital save. Long throw. It's not the best of headers away. Swing and a miss. And then contact and miss. Benin Dosu, you'd expect better from him. And then Hassan Emorani. Lots of space. Lovely dummy there from Ishimwe. Oh, the defender off the bench. And brings a fine save out of Alagbe. Eventually decided, why not? Great decoy run. Rwanda. Lovely reverse ball. Muiri drives it across, and it just and the Cheetahs. Will he be able? Spreads it wide. Jodel Dosu back to him. Goes down. Dosu, but he's offside. Linking with Dosu, and then he came from an offside position. Now have the chance to deliver. Headed away by Kageri, the captain, but it's kept alive. But it's just dug out of the ground and off target. But the captain with another huge opportunity. Unfortunately, lifted in. Touchdown. Oh, Dosu wanted that. And it is the equaliser from Steve Munye. And he's brought the Stade de l'Amitié to life. National goal of Steve Munye. Well, he was hanging around Sessignon and Dosu, and then he's just dragged the ball towards him and into space, and then power has beaten Nedwali, who may